So today we are going to dive into other blocks. Let's go to the looks blocks. I'm going to share my screen and we are going to look at the go into the looks blocks. Now, the looks block, define the behavior of the character. The looks block define the behavior of the sprite or the character. Like we have the speech bubble. If I click on the speech bubble, did you see what is happening there?
Yes.
I click it again. So it says hello for 2 seconds. And here it will say hello and remain like that. It won't go. It won't go. Now, the think is a thought bubble. Did you see the difference between the speech and the thoughts? Did you see it? Okay. You're muted.
Sorry. Yes.
Good. Costume. It says switch to costume 1. Now, the reason if I click on this, it's not working, it's because it has only one costume. So if I go to costume tab, I can see only one costume. Did you see that we have only one costume? That is the Dango cat.
Yes.
Now, the Dango costume. Now let's change it and get another costume. I want to get another costume. And this time I want to pick Abby B, when Abby was thinking. And I want to pick another one. Dots. Okay, where ballerina B. And then I want to pick another one. So you're going to do this thing I'm doing, banana. All right, if I come back to the code and I say switch costume to costume 1 and I click it, it will change to costume 1.
Yeah.
If I say switch costume to Abby, it will switch to Abby. If I say switch costume to ballerina, it will switch costume to ballerina. What if I say next costume, repeat the next costume. The first costume is the Dango. The second costume is Abby. The third costume is ballerina. The fourth costume is this. So if I put this in a forever, and I say do that every 0.5 seconds, that is half a second, and I click it. Can you see what is happening?
Yeah.
It's switching costume. Okay, so this is what happens when let me delete all those costumes. Let me get a sprite that has different costumes. Now, look at this sprite. It has 4 costumes. This is costume 1. So I'm going to delete this. I'll pick costume 2. Andy B. I'll pick costume 3. Andy C. And I'll pick costume Andy D. And if I come back to the code and I run this code, you will see Andy. Can you see? That was exactly. So I want you to do this for, let me pick a sprite for you now that you're going to use. Let's do this for Annie. Anina. Or, no. Who do we? Yeah, let's do that for the ballerina. Ballerina. So I will stop sharing now. Share your screen and do what I just did now for the ballerina.
Space. When I can't be in the cave. Yeah, you can't always see the center.
So where did I go to get my costumes?
Go there. No.
Not there. Yeah. Good. So first pick the costume that you want to change to. You can delete that dangle. Do you know how to delete it?
No.
Put your mouse on the dangle by the top left. The costumes. Its costume. Go to its costumes.
Because
This is the costume here. This is the costume. No, yes. Click on it. Okay, you're really not seeing the delete. Let's get another costume first. Yeah. Let's get another costume first.
Okay.
You know how to get another costume? It's at the down part of it where I went to. Yes. Go there. Now get the ballerina right. So get the first ballerina A. Now you can now go and delete that cat. Get ballerina B first. Now let's go delete the. Can you see a trash can by its side? No. Look at the trash can. Yeah, trash it. Good. So let's get ballerina C. Good. So go to code and write that script that I wrote.
Okay.
So you are trash. No.
Oh, you're going.
So
No.
I used next costume in a forever. And I put a wait 0.5 seconds. Put a when flag click at the top. Put a when flag click event at the top. Good. So run your script. Do you know why your ballerina is tilted? So what can you do to straighten it? A block that you can use to straighten it. I'll give you a clue or a hint. Yes, it's in motion. Just go ahead and be reading all your blocks there. You will see the one that you want to use. No, not that. Okay, that did the magic. But I was expecting you to use point in direction 90. No, don't put it up there. No, take it up to the top. Yes, just change it to 90 and then use it. Yes. Click on it. Click on that point in direction 90. Just click on it once. Good. So that's it. You can trash it. It's not work. It's not doing the work. So at every point in time, your direction must be pointing 90. All right. You can stop sharing now Thank you, Sana. Thank you, Azima, for that wonderful script. You just wrote your 4 scripts on your own. That's what you did now. So let's move on. We talked about looks. We are still on looks. Now, we've talked about next costume. Now backdrop. Under looks, you can also control your backdrop. What is a backdrop?
It's the stage.
The stage. Thank you. The stage. So the stage contains 2 things, the backdrop and the sprite. So let's get a backdrop. On the backdrop as well, you can pick different costumes for your stage as well. Can you see we have only one? We have the white and we have this. So I'm going to trash this white blank and I'm going to get others just like we did here. Bedroom 2, bedroom 3. So you can as well write a script as well using next backdrop, forever. Wait after 1 minute, the backdrop should change. Or after 3 seconds, the backdrop should change. And if I run my script, you can see that the backdrop is changing. So it is not only the sprite that can change, the backdrop can also change using looks. And then the next is what we have is the color effect. Color what? Effect. If I put the color effect here, look at this. Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? Can you see? It's changing the color effect. Color effect is very, very, fine. It's a cool thing to add. And then you can set your color effect to 0. It will go back to the normal original color. And then you can clear graphics. So that is that about looks. Another important section is the sound. The sound helps you to control the sound. You can pick different sounds. First, you have to come to sounds here. Did you see where I come to? Sounds. Everywhere is black. But if you come to the bottom here and you go to sound library, you see a lot of sound. So we have different sounds. We have animal. Just a second, please. All right. Now let's go to effects. Under effect, we have and so on. Let's go to loops. So you'll be using the loop very well. and so on and so forth. We have notes. We have percussion. We have space. We have spots. We have voice. And then we have wacky. So you can use different sounds, okay? You can even bring in sound from your own, okay? So that is that about sound. So you can come here, you can pick any sound. You can pick any sound. You can even reduce the sound to make it softer, like this. Can you see it's smaller now? It's no longer loud. Then you can now come here. You say play until dawn. You put it in a forever.
Play sound until dawn.
Play sound until dawn, and then you put it in a forever. So anytime you start your game, to be playing. Okay, I did not put this on events. So let me stop it and play it again. So you can see that now. All right. Now, we've talked about sound. We now want to talk about events. Events are triggers, something that help you start your game or that help you do something to your game. Your game oftentimes they listens to events. Whether the event is when you click the flag or when you click a space bar or when you click the sprites. Like for instance, if I want to make this sprite disappear every time I click on the sprite, I'm going to say when this sprite is clicked, I'll put hide. It will disappear. Hide. Let me say, let it disappear for like 5 seconds or 3 seconds. And then now show, because I don't want it to go forever. So if I run the script now, if I click on the sprite, can you see the sprite has disappeared? The sprite is back. If I click on it again, it will disappear. It's back. If I click again, it will disappear. So that is when this sprite is clicked. Which other event do we have now? We have when bedroom backdrop switch, or when backdrop switch, sorry, and then when loudness and when I receive a message. So we're going to put all this into test when we are coding. Now, I want us to trash everything that we have done and write our first code. Now you have seen all the scripts and blocks that we have used. Okay. Okay. Now, okay, so let me quickly touch control. Let me touch control and sensing. In control, controls are used to add magics to your code. Control is divided into two parts. Control is divided into So it's divided into control statements and loops. What did I call it?
Control statement and loop.
So I want you to write those two down. Control statement is divided into conditional statement and loops. It's divided into what?
Two.
Conditional statement and loops.
Can you type it in the chat, please?
Yeah, let me put it in the chat. Control blocks is divided into conditional statements and loops. Okay, I'm going to play you this video.
Control block divided into conditional statement.
Are you ready for me? Okay, you're still writing.
Yeah.
Now, Tana and Azima, I have created an account for you where you can watch all the replay of the classes that we have had.
Okay.
So I will write down the URL where you can go to. I will give you your username and your password. And then you're going to write them down. Okay?
Okay.
So let's first watch this video now. And I'll ask questions after the video, okay? So listen.
That didn't know how games make characters move? It's all about control blocks. Control blocks are... Am I the only one that didn't know how games make characters move? It's all about control blocks. Control blocks are like the directors of a play. They tell your computer when to start, when to stop, and what to do in between. Think of it this way. Imagine you're playing a game where you control a character. You press a button and your character jumps, right? That's a control block in action. There are different types of control blocks. Loops that make things happen over and over. If-then blocks that ask questions like, did you press the jump button? And wait blocks that make your game pause for a cool effect. So next time you play your favorite game, remember, it's control blocks making all the magic happen. Want to learn more cool coding tricks? Follow.
So I'll play one more time.
Am I the only one that didn't know how games make characters move? It's all about control blocks. Control blocks are like the directors of a play. They tell your computer when to start, when to stop, and what to do in between. You press jumps, right? That's a control block in action. There are different types of control blocks. Loops that make things happen over and over. If-then blocks that ask questions like, did you press the jump button? And wait blocks that make effect. So next time you play your favorite game, remember, it's control blocks making all the magic happen. Want to learn more cool coding tricks? Follow our YouTube channel at Kids Code World for more tutorials. Let's build the...
So that's control blocks. Can you give me an example of control blocks?
An example of control blocks is loops.
If loops. Okay. Now let's play the second video, and I'm going to ask the question. You know, I told you it's divided into conditional statements. So let's look at what conditional statement. Okay, no, let's look at what loops are first before conditional statements.
Loops.
The magic in Scratch. Let's make coding super fun with loops. Losing the magic in Scratch. In Scratch. Let's make coding super fun with loops. Loops are like magic spells in coding. Imagine you're playing Simon Says and you have to jump 5 times. Instead of saying jump times, you say jump once and repeat it 5 times. That's a loop. In Scratch, we have 3 main types of loops. First up, the forever loop. Just like it sounds, it keeps going forever. Imagine singing your favorite song on repeat. Perfect for animations or endless games. Next, we have the repeat loop. This one lets you choose how many times an action happens, like doing 10 jumping jacks. It's awesome for tasks you want to control. Lastly, there's the repeat until loop. It loops until something special happens, like reaching the end of a race. It's great for creating challenges and goals. So remember, loops make coding easier and way more fun. Try them out in your Scratch projects and watch the magic happen. Happy coding. Scratch.
Okay, so I want to play one more time.
Exposing the magic in Scratch. Let's make coding super fun with loops. Loops are like magic spells in coding. Imagine you're playing Simon Says and you have to jump 5 times. Instead of saying jump 5 times, you say jump once and repeat it 5 times. That's a loop. In Scratch, we have 3 main types of loops. First up, the forever loop. Just like it sounds, it keeps going forever. Imagine singing your favorite song on repeat. Perfect for animations or endless games. Next, we have the repeat loop. This one lets you choose how many times an action happens, like doing 10 jumping jacks. It's awesome for tasks you want to control. Lastly, there's the repeat until loop. It loops until something special happens, like reaching the end of a race. It's great for creating challenges and goals. So remember, loops make coding easier and way more fun. Try them out in your Scratch projects and watch the magic happen. Happy.
Now, how many types of loops do we have?
3.
3. So, Azima, give me one.
Repeat loop.
Repeat.
Loop.
I didn't get you. You said what?
Repeat loop.
Repeat loop. Correct. So, Sana, give me the other 2.
The forever loop and repeat until loop.
We have forever loops and repeat until. So we have 3 types of loops. We have other types as well, but the 3 main types are the repeat, repeat until, and forever loops. So which one is used for creating an endless game? A game that never ends. Which of the 3 loops?
Forever loop.
Forever loops, correct. So which one do you use if you want to specify how many times it should repeat?
Repeat loop.
The repeat loop. So which one do you use to repeat until something happens?
Repeat until loops.
Repeat until, correct. That's my girl. Thank you, Sana and Azima. Now let's move on to conditional statements. All right, so let's play this.
Why do 80% of Scratch projects go from good to amazing? It's all about those magic conditional statements. Today, we're diving into conditional statements in Scratch. Imagine you want your cat to meow if it's clicked. Here's how it works. First, grab the if block from the control section. It's like asking a question. Inside the if block, you'll put a condition. Let's say, if the sprite is clicked. Next, tell Scratch what to do if that condition is true. Add a play sound meow block inside the if block. Now when you click cat, it will meow. You can use conditions to do all sorts of fun stuff. Try if touching color green, change color. Your character can turn into a rainbow when it hits the grass. Remember, conditional statements are like magic rules. They help your projects react to different things. So go ahead, experiment, and make your Scratch projects amazing.
Yes, your hand is up.
We've watched this video before.
Yes, okay. You've watched it before? Okay.
Yes.
Okay, yes. So that when I was talking about conditional statement, the if. So now back to what we are doing. We want to delete the stage and everything that we have and create something new. And I want you guys to do it for me. So we're going to start with a simple project called egg and chick game. Egg and chick game. So share your screen, and I'm going to be telling you what to do. I'll be asking you questions. So you're going to delete your ballerina. You know the ballerina, if you had a stage to it, it'll be very beautiful.
Yes.
Excuse me. So I challenge you to that. Do that before the next class. So you create a ballerina to make it animate the ballerina, make it dance, put it on the backstage, and let me see. All right. So what you're going to get for me now, you're going to get this backdrop for me called Garden Rock. Garden Rock. So let Azima delete the ballerina. Let Azima get me cheek and egg.
Sprite.
Yes, cheek and egg Sprite.
Oh, that's what I used to do. So wait. Think an egg. I get the egg. No, stop. Is it hen?
Azima, you're getting me cheek and egg. 2 Sprites.
Done. Done.
Good. Now, the first thing we are going to do is this. So before we do that, okay, I want to share my screen and show you
Okay.
our end game.
Okay.
Oh, I'm coming. I'm coming. Oh, I have to go look for it. Okay, so let me share my screen. So go to Documents. Okay. So let me show you. Sorry. Oh. Oh. I'm not getting more than 2 points. Let me do it again one more time. Okay, so that's it. Now that's what we want to do, okay? Stop sharing now, and then you can now share your screen. Let's start. So we're starting now. And the first thing we want to do, you can see how the chick is jumping. Did you see that? So that's the first thing we are going to do. Making the chick to jump. How do you make the chick jump? The chick was somewhere at the bottom here. Was somewhere at the bottom here. And the egg was somewhere here. So can you drag the chick to that part and drag the egg to that part? Okay. So if you go to motion, cancel. If you go to motion, no, go to the top, you will see the current position here. So, but what I want us to do is set the chick to minus, hello, are you on the chick? Go to the chick. Good. You can see the chick is on minus 218. Make it minus 200. Change this minus 218 to minus 200. And make this minus 140. No, on the goat.
Talking to that.
Yes. Minus 200.
I'm not moving anything.
Then minus 140. Bring it out. And then put a when flag click on top of it. Good. Now, you have set the position where the chick will be. The next thing you want to bring out, you know, while I was playing that game, you guys did not notice. I was hitting space bar to make the chick jump. I was hitting space bar to make the chick jump. So what will my event be?
It will be, wait, let me look. Podcast. No, is
Event.
This, what I, let me see, that one.
Go back again to the top and read it. No, go back to the event top. Yeah, start reading from the first event.
When flag clicked,
What's the second one?
When space key pressed.
So, what third one?
When this right clicked.
What's the fourth one?
When backdrop switch.
Where's the fifth one?
When loudness.
And what's the sixth one? So which one are we going to use out of all that?
I think is when the sprite clicked. What?
No. Azima.
This. When space key pressed. Is it this?
Correct, Azima. When space key pressed. I was telling you that I was hitting the space bar to make it jump. So you can't put it together. It will stand on its own. It's a separate script. Okay. It's a separate script. Yeah, put it there. Good. It's a separate script. Now, when you hit the space bar, the chick jumps up and come down, isn't it?
Yes.
Now, to
Please.
make it jump up, what block do you use to make your sprite go up in motion?
Motion. To make your
You
sprite
might have to
go.
consult your notebook to find out that answer.
Oh. Yeah.
You can as well see it on the screen if you know.
Jump. Is it this one?
You said what?
Is it point towards my pointer?
To make it go up.
I think it's this or this. Nope. Nope. Wait. No. It's this one. Yes.
Okay. Change. Look at your notes. I wrote if you are going up, you change Y by a positive number.
Y is positive.
Yes.
Is that?
So,
Y.
yes. So, you're supposed to, now, if you click on it, hit the space bar now, drop it there, hit the space bar, it's going up, right? But it's not coming down. So, you're going to put it in a logic and it's going up gradually,
I think they're going down.
If you're going down, what do you do?
If Y is negative.
Negative. All right, good. Now, to make it go up, if you say, because the 10 is small, that is set, that is not change. The second one that you brought out is wrong. Is set, not change.
Yes.
So you bring that out and then you change it to a negative value. Now hit the space bar.
Oh, no.
Delete block.
Come on.
Okay. Space bar is correct. I just need you to hit the space bar on your keyboard.
Oh. Space.
The long button on your keyboard.
Fun.
Now, do you know why it's not showing like it's doing anything?
Yeah.
Because change, we quickly teleport it up and then teleport it down within seconds. So you will not see it. Now, for you to see it, I will tell you something. Go to repeat. Go to control, and bring out repeat 10. Put the repeat 10 to cover the first. Yeah, drop it there. Bring out that change Y by minus. Put it under. Yes, under it, yes. Down, yes. Press the space bar on your keyboard.
Okay.
It went up, but it's not coming down. It only came down a little bit. Now, get another repeat 10 and put it for the change Y by minus 10.
Okay.
Good. Now hit the space bar on your keyboard. Good. But it's not pointing the direction it's supposed to point to motion.
Oh.
Motion. Just click on that pointing direction 90. Click on it.
Oh,
good.
Okay.
Now press the green flag. The green flag. Run your, yes. Yes, good. Now hit your space bar now. Good. Now, you have successfully been able to animate your cheek. But if you notice the one that I was doing, it makes a sound, right? Like a
Yes.
cheek chirping. So we go to
You go to-
sound
Oh,
and bring out start chirp.
okay.
No, go back to not the sounds. Go back to your code. No, go back to your code. Go to your sound. Can you see that the sound is already there? So
Yeah.
you're going to put it here. There. Good. Now hit the space bar now. It's making sound, right?
Yes.
Good. Where's the green flag so that you go back to the same position?
Okay, let's try one more time.
Good. Why is it going up, not coming down?
Because you put this on top.
No.
No, it's because of like the repeat. No.
She was eating it without stopping.
Oh,
When you hit it,
it's by 10. No. Is it one space key press? Is it? No, it's not that.
when you clicking, hit the space bar on your keyboard. Okay, keep hitting it. Okay, so it's fine now.
Oh, it's because of the one space key press. It's not because of the space key pressed. Ow,
But
ow,
it's fine now, isn't it?
Yes. We will go to blah blah.
All right.
Minus
Okay, so we are done coding the
one
cheek.
minus.
We want to now code the egg. Now,
Yeah.
there's a script that helps you to move your cheek up and down. This is the code. And I don't want you to forget the code. Okay. This code here. Did you see it?
What?
Did you see the code that I put a box around?
Yeah.
That code is what is doing the magic. Going up and coming down.
Yeah. We are gonna write it down.
Yes, you can. And I should recommend that you do that. In 1 minute's time, we're going to go for our break, 10 minutes break.
Okay. And also repeat 10 and I'm done.
Good. So let's take our 10 minutes break. We'll come back by 2:10.
Yeah.
Bye for now.
Bye. Finally. Hello? Hello? I just stopped the keys out. Mom, can we have a cupcake? Yeah. You was up. There was people moving. Right? Why is he doing this? Good running. What's the worst? Man, they are better than 3 hours. No. Oh, they're doing kind of like crazy. Mm-mm. Mm-mm. Mm. I can't go survive it. Oh, don't worry, don't worry. Oh, I want to see. Let's go clean the body. They tricked us. So, but why is this the same girl every single time? Where are you? Ah, why don't they have face? I need more speed. Nope, you need more money. Look, I'm taking your body. I need my speed. How do you get down? Get close. I don't get to rock up. You should my body. She's ugly. She's not ugly. Can we trade? Look, this girl is really ugly. Look at her. No, she's really ugly. How do you get money? You're not gonna get. Bro. That's it. Eventually. What is he even doing my brains? He's AFK.